At Cape Tools, we sell an Italian brand of electroplating called Berkem. It is a cyanide-free plating solution, which is newer technology and far safer. What I'm going to be demonstrating today is the rose gold plating. It is very important with every solution that you are plating to make sure that you understand the brand specifications of how to plate. So I am going to be using a silver shepherd hook that I'm going to be plating. I'm just hooking it on a stainless steel paper clip so that it's easy to hold. The black crocodile clip goes onto the item that you are plating, and the red crocodile clip goes onto the anode. First, you need to clean the item that you are plating. So you're going to dip it into the solution and you will see that there's lots of little bubbles that come up. You would normally clean it for 30 to 90 seconds and you agitate it, which means you shake it. The more bubbles you see with the electro degreasing solution, the better. You mainly taking off all your polish, all your oils, your fingerprints, any residues, and you need to make sure that it is perfectly clean, otherwise it is not going to plate well at all. You can use a titanium plain anode, which is what I have here, or you can use a titanium MMO coated anode for electro degreasing. But when it comes to the anode you need to use in your plating solution, you need to make sure that your plating solution is paired up correctly. So now I'm going to take the soapiness off by just dipping it into normal distilled water. It has to be distilled water or deionized water. You cannot use normal tap water because it is actually very dirty, not even filtered water. So I give that a rinse. Then I just run it over a little bit of cotton roll just to get any residue off. And then I want to plate it with rose gold solution. This I've done a bain marie style because the solution needs to be at least 45 to 65 degrees Celsius. So I've put a beaker with hot water and my plating solution is in a glass beaker inside here. Do not ever put the solution and mix it with hot water to get its temperature because you will contaminate it and you will also, it's not going to be able to be used. You're going to have to throw it away. You have to heat it up either on a single hot plate stove. You can even use a baby bottle warmer, or like I'm using here, a bain marie style. This, you have to wait for it to get to the right temperature and you have to use it at the right voltage. And the voltage is between 3 and 6 volts. With an MMO coated black anode and plating it between 30 and 60 seconds, for 45 to 65 degrees Celsius. And look at how quick that is. Isn't that just beautiful? Now, you agitate it, which means you shake it. You never touch the jewelry onto the actual anode because you will spark and create current, and that's why it sparks. Do it for at least 30 to 60 seconds to make sure that you are giving it a good coating. It eventually saturates and will not get any thicker after 90 seconds. And then once I'm done, I dip it back into the distilled water to make sure it's clean. And look at that beautiful rose gold plating. Now going to do another piece and you have to do the same thing again. You have to clean it. So we're going to put it in the degreasing solution first for 30 to 60 seconds. Agitate it. To make sure that you have the right temperature for your plating solution, we use special thermometers that go to a much higher temperature than your normal thermometer in your medical aid kits or that the hospitals sell and you get at the doctor's. It needs to be able to go to at least 65 degrees Celsius. You always need to make sure that you are constantly in a clean and sterile area. If your beakers are dirty, if they're left open next to your polisher, if they are next to your bench where you get dust and dirt, into the solution, it is going to completely contaminate the solution. So always make sure that you are working in a very, very clean environment. The Berkem rose gold and yellow gold is a 0.8 grams of gold to a 1 liter solution, and it also comes in a 0.4 gram half a liter solution. Those are ready to use, and you can purchase them online or in store, and just make sure that you have the right anode for them too.